Let me try. Thick boy. Pretty awful day today.
Don't break my car, man.
Again. Okay.
Hi folks, so we started to do something with the MIATA. I want to get to the fuel tank. I want to remove the seats and part of the body of the car, and we will see what is going on. Small update: I removed the seats, I removed the rear bumper, and I am alone today. Jacek is on the delegation right now, so I will remove everything from the interior. I want to see what is under this carpets and everything. Hope there is no corrosion there, and that's it. I don't know if we will rebuild this car or not. Yeah, I removed it nearly. This one. It's a bit tricky. Not good. No ground, so small fucking screw. Yes. Yes.
So it's the next day, and Philip started to disassemble the MIATA. So MIATA looks like this right now. We'll rip off everything from here, and as you can see, there's a pretty nice base to restore. So yeah, but today is a little bit mess because we are also checking out Pajero and steering in Pajero. And once this is done, we'll go Cyber Golf to the washing station, we'll wash it, and it's going to the listing because there is not much space here to do anything more. So once Golf is sold, then we can continue with the Bong and with MIATA, right? So this is important stuff. So this is the plan for today, and after that we'll try to do something with the MIATA as well. Yeah. What you doing, Phil?
Fixing the plastic.
It doesn't want to be attached.
No.
Poor Pajero. Let me try. Thick boy. No! Do you have a pliers somewhere hanging around?
No.
No. Ah! Oh, okay. Easy.
No.
Pretty awful day today. We didn't do anything productive. Basically, plan was to fix the Golf, fix the Pajero, and also partly take care of Mazda, to disassemble it and try to fix as many bodywork as possible. But yeah, Golf didn't work out. There is still no 5/5 gear, so I will just sell it as it is. This is a car for a guy who likes to do a few fixes, and in Pajero we didn't fix the steering wheel issue, and we broke 2 screws, so great success. And we haven't touched MIATA, so let's just skip to the next day.
Hi guys, it's fucking cold. And for now, the MIATA looks like this.
hello.
Jacek is here.
I'm just helping for a little while to get rid of this rooftop. Let's do this. So here was the rooftop, right? And here is the plastic drainage pipe,
Yes.
which basically takes all the water
From the roof.
rain from the roof, yeah, and the water goes down here and then down there. So this is the basically what we are assuming. This is the main point why those this part of car is rusting. So
This and this one, the rear of the car, I mean. But the forward of the car is also rusting, so.
it's all in symbiosis.
Yes. So now I want to remove this and this.
Wouldn't it be easier to remove the gas tank from below?
No, you need to remove it from the below. I want to open here because fuel pump is here. I want to remove the fuel pump and then we need to jack the car and we need to remove the rear suspension differential, everything there. You need to remove everything and then up there is the tank.
Oh, it's intense day today because my friend printed me on his 3D printer one part that is missing still in the BMW Z-Frame. So basically I have troubles with a windshield thingy and the windshield plastic thingy, this part. So the thing is that it's supposed to hold in certain position, the windshield in certain position, and it's not doing it. Well, this part is doing it, of course, because this is original, but the second one I made from plastic and all the small details here ripped off. The second I tried to correct it, right? So my friend printed it with some better technology, some better plastic, but when I tried to assemble it, it just broke. So we have to once again do this. So yeah, this is a thing with a BMW windshield. I'm still waiting for the part. Hopefully in 2 days new thingy will be printed and I can assemble it. So that I have to wait. Second thing is, as you can see, there is no bonk. There is Golf and there is Philip. And the bonk has been delegated for one last trip to be useful as a transporter because it's helping my other friend move from one place to another. And we're back again in the garage with the Golf. As you can see, it was snowing today, so it was pretty cold. It hasn't been driven for some period of time, so it has to be once again charged. And there's the Philip, and today again we'll be trying to do something with this. The plan for today is as follows.
What?
The plan for today is as follows.
We want to remove the fuel tank and we will see how it goes. To remove the fuel tank we need to leave the car on the jacks. We will put the stand in this hole.
Yeah.
How it's called. Then we need to remove all the rear suspension and everything here. And then up there you can get to the fuel tank. And we want to remove the fuel tank to clean.
This is how it looks right now. I love the technology Philip did last time. So those are not the condoms, those are just the plastic gloves or the rubber gloves to make sure that the no fuel is leaking here. So yeah, let's get to work. So you're removing the fuel pump, and this looks just awful, as you could expect. It's all rusty, so indeed you will need it's leaking again. Okay, we need to disassemble this thingy. This is the, I believe, fuel level. So please could you pass me some kind of a 6mm?
Okay.
It smells like very, very old fuel. Perhaps because it's very, very old fuel. So it looks like this. It's very awful very rusty fuel, and I'm very glad that we are doing this, because you would try to run this car on this fuel pump and the engine would be devastated. So yeah, we have to detach this and then we are good to remove the fuel tank.
Gdzie drugą śrubkę tam dałeś? Mordo, lejesz tutaj, Ale syf. Somebody's calling to Jacek. Jacek ended his phone call and now he will do...
Also answer some SMS.
But he's so busy guy. I don't know.
It's 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. Okay.
And here is coming Jacek, Boogie, Radek!
Let's do this.
Don't break my car, man.
Why?
You're also... What? Why? Don't break our car. Don't break it. What? You are... Man, you are professionalist.
No, I love carpets.
Everybody loves carpets. Wait. Don't pull. Okay, now. Perfect. Amazing, man. I like it.
We won't assemble it back again. I promise you this.
So?
We won't be able to assemble it again. This is one way.
We will. Man, and now I am happy. Very good, Jacek.
Very good?
Very good. I like it.
Okay, as the car is lifted up and the wheels are off, we are now ready to remove rear axle and the front axle. But today, I believe we'll focus on the rear axle, and yeah, that's it.
What we need to do? We need to clean the fuel lines from the tank to the engine, and we think we will do like we'll disconnect the lines from the engine and from here, and we will blow with the compressed air. But later on, we want to remove actually the rest of the things on the car.
The body.
The body. We need to remove the doors. We need to remove the how it's called in English.
Fenders. You need to remove doors, fenders,
the
bumper.
mask,
Yeah.
everything to paint. We want to also remove the front windshield. It will be hard.
This will be tricky, and I can guarantee that it will break. And the point why we are doing this, because in the mirror here on the inside, you can see that bodywork has been started by the German guy I told you previously, and you need to be saved from the corrosion and painted again. And same situation is here, but you know, here we can manage. But here we need to remove the doors, the fender, the windshield, basically everything, and we want to paint the whole car as a brand new. So yeah, this is one thing, and the good thing that we managed to see here is that the whole flow of this car is rust-free, basically. It's really nice job. So yeah, that's it. Woo!
How you feel, Jacek?
Like I'm under the car.
Good.
And I'm risking my life for MIATA NA. We are now detaching the rear exhaust pipe. As you can see, it's loose right now. I have the muffler. The muffler is there. And right now I'm detaching, removing the cover of the muffler, because it's very rusty. We'll manage to fix it. Oh, jeez. It's rust.
Jacek is removing the półoś.
Rear axle.
Co?
Rear axle.
No, ten aksel jakiś tam. And he's removing this one. Yes.
Because we want to detach the differential.
We need to, because we didn't look on the differential previously, and now we find out that the front body of the differential is completely rusted. What do you think, Jacek?
Yeah, it's very bad shape. It looked better when we bought the car, but when we are still disattaching the whole thing, we might as well reattach the whole rear suspension and just remove the rust and do it properly.
Yes.
Alright, so I think this is it for today. As you can see, the Miata is without wheels. We have detached the exhaust pipe with the muffler, and of course we started to disassemble the differential. So the axles are off, as you can see. I don't know what's the name of the part that's connecting the engine to the differential.
What engine? The gearbox.
No, the valve. I will place the
Shaft.
the shaft.
Shaft.
Ah yeah, so we attach the axles, the shaft from the differential, and right now we are left to do what we need to do. Oh, fuck. I broken the thingy. I fixed the thingy. So in a few days we'll need to remove the differential, and after that the whole rear suspension. And after that, yeah, because why we were doing this, because main point is that the gas tank is full of rust, and to disassemble the gas tank to clear it, all the rear axle have to be removed.
But it's good because we need to remove all of things, bunch of things. So we thought we see now, but it's not so perfect and clear.
No, but this is a good base to restore, so we'll also do the restoration of the bottom, and yeah, this will be the thingy. Yes, so thank you very much for watching.
Bye.
If you enjoyed, subscribe, like. This will be a nice touch from you.
Put some comments.
Put some comments here. Comment.
Yeah, so you can clarify our mistakes.
Yes.
If we have.
Bye.